Welcome to Vinachaki. Today, we will introduce our entire wood pellet production process. Everything starts here at the raw material yard. We use 100% natural wood collected and stored before production begins. No chemicals, no additives, nothing artificial. The reason we are strict about raw material quality from the very beginning is simple. The final pellet can only be as good as what goes into it. The logs are prepared and moved toward the first machine when they are ready. The raw logs are fed into the chipper and broken down into small wood chips. This may look like a simple step, but it plays a very important role in pellet quality. Uniform chip size means the material grinds more evenly in the next stage, which directly affects how consistent the final pellet turns out. The chips move along the conveyor and head to the grinding area. The chips go into the grinder and come out as fine powder. The reason we grind this finely is that the powder needs to compress tightly and evenly under the pellet press. If the particles are too coarse or inconsistent, the pellets will be weaker and more likely to break apart during transport or use. The finer and more consistent the powder, the stronger the final pellet will be. Moisture control is one of the most important parts of wood pellet production. The sawdust goes through a large drum dryer system, where heat and airflow pull extra moisture out of the material. If the moisture is too high, the pellets will not hold their shape properly and will break easily. If it is too low, the lignin inside the wood will not activate correctly during pressing. Getting that balance right is what separates a high-quality pellet from a poor one. One more thing worth noting here, because the dryer needs a constant heat source to run, any wood material that does not meet production standards is reused as fuel for the drying system. Nothing is wasted. This is where everything comes together. The dried sawdust feeds into the pellet press, slash through the hopper slash, and under very high mechanical pressure, slash it gets pushed through a die and formed into dense, uniform pellets. One important point is that we do not use glue or chemical binders of any kind. The heat and pressure generated during compression activate the natural lignin already present inside the wood, and that lignin acts as the binding agent. The result is a completely natural product. The finished pellets move along the conveyor, get packed into jumbo bags, palletized, and stored in the warehouse. After that, they are loaded into containers for export. One 40 HC container holds around 25 to 28 tons of product. Our facility can produce up to 3,000 tons per month, which gives our partners the confidence that supply will remain stable and consistent over time. Beyond production, Vinachaki supports full OEM service for global partners. That means we can customize packaging, print your logo and branding directly onto the bags or carton boxes, and help you build your own product line in your market. Whether you need standard bulk shipments or retail ready packs, we handle it in-house. Pricing is based on FOB or CFR terms loading from Vietnam, with a minimum order of 140 HC container. If you are looking for a reliable wood pellet supplier with consistent quality and real production capacity behind it, we would love to hear from you.